For homeowners in the villages, maintaining a beautiful, functional, and energy-efficient home is always a priority. While many think of kitchen upgrades or new windows as the go-to projects, replacing your doors can deliver just as much, if not more, value. A new entry or patio door not only enhances the look of your home but also improves comfort, efficiency, and overall property value. Let's explore why door replacement is such a smart investment for residents of the villages. Enhanced energy efficiency and comfort. Florida's warm climate makes energy efficiency an important concern. Old or poorly fitted doors often allow drafts and heat transfer, forcing your HVAC system to work harder. Over time, this leads to higher energy bills and inconsistent indoor temperatures. Modern replacement doors are built with advanced insulation materials, tighter seals, and energy-efficient glass options. By upgrading, you can keep your home cooler in the summer and warmer during the rare chilly nights, all while reducing utility costs. Homeowners in the villages especially benefit from this because energy-efficient doors help maintain year-round comfort in a region where the air conditioning is running nearly all year long. Improved security and peace of mind. Security is a top priority for any homeowner, and new doors offer a significant upgrade in this area. Older doors may have weakened frames, outdated locks, or deteriorating materials that make them more vulnerable. Replacement doors are designed with reinforced frames, stronger locking mechanisms, and durable construction. This means greater protection for you, your family, and your belongings. For retirees and seasonal residents in the villages, this added peace of mind is invaluable, especially when leaving a home unattended for extended periods. Boosting curb appeal and first impressions. Your front door is one of the first things visitors and potential buyers notice about your home. A worn or outdated door can detract from your home's overall look, while a stylish new one instantly boosts curb appeal. Today's replacement doors come in a wide variety of styles, colors, and materials, allowing you to match your home's character or give it a modern refresh. Whether you prefer the classic elegance of wood, the durability of steel, or the low-maintenance appeal of fiberglass, the right door can completely transform your entryway. In a community like the villages, where homes are often showcased in neighborhood tours and social gatherings, a beautiful entryway makes a lasting impression. Increasing property value and marketability. Investing in a new door is not just about comfort, it's about adding tangible value to your home. Studies consistently show that door replacement projects provide one of the highest returns on investment in home improvement. When it comes time to sell, buyers are drawn to homes that are well-maintained, energy-efficient, and visually appealing. A new entry or patio door checks all these boxes. In competitive real estate markets like the villages, where homes can look quite similar, small upgrades such as a striking front door can help your property stand out and sell faster. Easy maintenance and long-term savings. Modern doors are designed to last with minimal upkeep. Unlike older wood doors that may warp, crack, or require frequent repainting, today's materials are resistant to weather, pests, and fading. Fiberglass and steel doors, for example, provide years of reliable performance with little more than occasional cleaning. By investing in replacement doors now, homeowners in the villages can save on future repair costs, avoid recurring maintenance hassles, and enjoy long-lasting durability. Final thoughts. Door replacement in the villages goes far beyond aesthetics. It's an upgrade that improves comfort, enhances security, reduces energy costs, and significantly increases property value. Whether you're planning to stay in your home for years to come or preparing to sell, investing in a high-quality door replacement is one of the smartest home improvements you can make. With the right door, you're not just upgrading your entryway, you're creating a more comfortable, stylish, and valuable home.